There's a million things to do, but I'm here while you're...
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today's test drive, I think this is like a 2002 Z-28 Camaro with 30,000 miles. So let's go ahead and open the hood here. LS motor and all the goodies. Detailed pictures, finance, shipping, maplemotors.com. Obviously, it's a convertible. The body, ground kit, top of the wing too. This should be pretty fun. About that time. Let's go for a ride. Let's look around this interior, place those bets. Do you think the horn works? I'm sure it does. This thing's like new. It's very nice. We're gonna be dropping the top, just kind of driving it down the road, showing her off. Really just showing how nice this one is. Let the AC keep going. Oh, I was off by 9,000 miles. It's 40,000 miles. Sorry about that. So the gauges are working. It's got great oil pressure. Wipers work, all that good stuff. Turn signals. Top. I mean, the AC's cold. Before I put the top down, though, let's go ahead and look at it. Taking her down here. Hardly even hear it. It's coming down fast. Good deal. These visors, I'll always flipped them up inside T-tops. That's just what I do. Move down the windows. And then the horn. Whoa! The horn's not working. Seriously? I thought for sure it would. About the music controls are working. That's blowing my mind right now. If you place your bets and said that the horn works, oh, it does. Something I did, it wasn't working at first. There we go. Okay. All right. Yeah, let's go. Okay, I got my boy with me again, and we're riding around today. We're gonna leave work at 2 and go do some fishing, go maybe catch some trout or something. We got a car like this at the house that we ride around in. This one's just a little bit different. It's also got the automatic, his and hers, cold AC. That guy didn't even look. Didn't even look. He just said la-di-da-di-da. Getting in on our brakes here. Everything seems to be smooth. We're straight as an arrow, tight steering. What happens when I floor it? Woo! Giddy up. We don't have to stop and get fuel today. It's just an overall nice, tight car with low miles. Pretty self-explanatory there. And we've been picking up a bunch of these convertibles here lately. I thought he was going to make the turn into the gas station there. We're going to cut around so we're not stuck behind him. Suspension feels good in the parking lot here. Got a nice little speed bump curb here. Not bad at all. Hey! I don't know who that guy is. You know, that was Justin's little brother. Okay, outside shots coming your way. We'll light up the undercarriage. Picking out the flaws at the end. See you in a minute. Getting ready to take off. Head on back to the lot. Went ahead and did the walk around. I done messed up, told my wife about this car. She's all interested now. We'll see what she does. She just got a Mustang for the first time. Now she's got the fever, sports car fever. Likes having them new cars all the time. I know how it is. You want to take them home every time you drive them. I'm in there in the seat every day. This one does run and drive good. Y'all have heard me multiple times. Oh, I love this one. Last week it was the Turbo Chevelle. That was driving me nuts. I was like, man, I might have to go home with this. All right, here we go. Super smooth. Into the brakes now. The brakes feel good on this one too. Well, when we get back to the lot, we're gonna go and get ready to do some fishing. We gotta go get something to eat first. What's your fast food? What's your favorite fast food restaurant? We gotta go through some drive-thrus.
Chick-fil-A, because the drive-thru is not long at all. There are gonna be like 10 cars in line. We'll be done less than 30 minutes.
I know, they got it going on. Everybody else should follow suit, right?
Yeah.
That sounds good though. I'm gonna say that's my favorite as well. It's pretty good. Just a super easy test drive. Cold AC blowing the whole time. Let's cut it off for a second. Hit the traction button. And we'll just pull her down into there and just stomp it. Peel the tires a little bit. Good shift here. Woo! The bump, you didn't even feel that. It's like we went right over top of it. We must have took off and landed on the other side. This car pulls pretty good, guys. I love it. We're gonna pull back into the car lot. Picking out the flaws is coming up next, so stick around for that. Thanks for watching. All right, I'm sure I'll find something wrong with this car, so we're gonna walk around it and look for chips, scratches, any kind of issues. Let's go. Right off the bat, a couple little chips around the front end. Little bug marks. Chips there. It's funny, my wife is considering coming up. She's like, that's her texting me now. I sent her a picture of it. She goes, oh, you could have his and hers. I said, well, you're kind of newer model Mustang. I would love it if you came over to the Camaro style. But I like both. Honestly, I just like both. I don't see her getting out of one. She's always wanted a Mustang like her whole life. Just got one and now she's wanting Camaro. Little spots there. You get these sports cars in your blood. You just want to try them all out, I guess. Little scuff here. And I told her, come on up if you want to drive it. She's considering it. Little spot in the bumper here. And if that happens, we'll put her car on the side. How about that? I absolutely love the orange color on these cars too. A memory that got me into them, we'll discuss there, was me and my dad pulling out of Walmart, probably early 2000s. And he had a T-top car and we got all sideways. It was an SS car. That's what got me into these Camaros, believe it or not. I was a kid and it was orange just like this. Got some covers. I guess that's for the top back here. All of them in there. Some trim. she texted me a bunch. You're like, why do you want to buy it after I made the whole video? That's a solid sounding trunk too. Coming down this side. Spot there. Paint blemish here. Ground effects. Marks there. Light scuff here. Little chip there. Windshield. Of course, working up here at Maple Motors, I'm always tempted to buy something new. Pretty much every day. Y'all ask those questions all the time. I'm like, yeah, definitely want to take a lot of them home. Let's go ahead and open up the door here. Door panel on this one looks decent. Any jams? Look at the passenger rear seat, and then stick the bag over there and look at the driver rear seat. Driver's seat itself, a little wear on the edge here is common. You can actually get replacement ones for the bottoms, oh, and the tops too, online. They still got the plastic in the floor there, Z-28 mats. These usually cave in because people use them as a support, but that one looks good. All of our gauges are reading out right. Oil pressure's still sitting at 40, which is great. These cars cold have close to 60 pounds of oil pressure. But there's also a little screen in there that can pick up dirt and change that, and you got to get that screen cleaned every once in a while. I always see these broken. That one's nice. Ashtray lid, yep. I was going to say those are broken too, and this one is. Motor's super quiet. Sticker's coming up here. Glue that back down. Paint is nice and shiny. Guys, detailed pictures, finance and shipping, maplemotors.com. If this one makes it on, I'll put the video out. And I hope you enjoyed it. I'm heading back. Try to get another one done. Well, wait. Hey, let's go fish.
Yeah.
You ready? Gonna get some lunch.